Guys, it's Tanner over here at Zoysia Sod, and I just want to talk to you today about this cool grass right here. We've talked a lot about Xeon grass and Palisades grass, but we've never talked about Zorro. Zorro is a kind of fine-bladed grass. It's kind of similar to that Xeon, and you can see it's a nice, plush, awesome, soft, fine-bladed Zoysia grass. We're going to throw some down over here on the ground so you can kind of see how it looks. Put it right next to some of this Bermuda grass. So it's got a looks pretty nice. Ooh, if I can get a close up here for you. So it's kind of similar to the growth requirements for sunlight and everything of Xeon grass. So it's just another option. There's a lot of different types of grasses out here. I wish I had more to tell you about Zorro grass. We hardly ever install it, so it's not something that I know a whole lot about, but I figured maybe if you guys want to just see what it looks like, then that would be pretty cool. So get another shot of it over here. So this is Zorro Zoysia grass. So if you guys are shopping, I know this is really tall right now. We've had a lot of rain down here in Texas, so this wasn't mowed before it was harvested for us. But this can be grown really short and cut really short. But obviously today we got like 3-4 inch grass. But man, it is a nice, awesome soft grass. So if you're into some fine bladed grass, and for some reason if you don't like Xeon's always my go-to grass. But this Zorro, I'd say the quality is just as good. Looks really hot. So if you want to do some more research about that, maybe I'll do some more research for you and make another video later. But I figure why not go ahead and get this video out there to you just so you can see what it looks like. But this is Zorro Zoysia.